Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix setting suggestion keeps stopping problem. So let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all go to settings. Now scroll down and go to apps option. Just click on apps option. Now click on three line icon and select show system apps. Just enable this option. Now click on search bar and search settings suggestions. Now click on settings suggestions. Scroll down, click on storage, click on clear data. Now click on delete. Now go back and click on settings again. Scroll down, click on storage. Now click on clear data, click on delete. Now click on three line icon, click on reset app preference. Now reset app preference, restart your phone. After this process, hopefully your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching.